You've been told that once an iPhone is locked to an Apple ID, it's permanently linked and you're stuck. That's a widely believed myth, especially frustrating for secondhand buyers. The reality is more nuanced. The lock to owner message is a security feature that can be legitimately bypassed under specific conditions. Discover the 3 proven strategies to regain access to your device, whether through iCloud, direct support, or unique purchase scenarios, and learn how to spot and avoid the fake solutions promising instant fixes. That frustrating iPhone lock to owner screen can feel like a digital prison for your device. It happens when an iPhone is still linked to someone else's Apple ID, often after purchasing a used phone. But don't worry, in this video, we'll guide you through exactly how to unlock an iPhone that's locked to owner. Before we dive into these methods, a quick but important disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only. Attempting to bypass security features can have legal implications, and we do not endorse any illegal activities. With that out of the way, a quick word about something useful. If you're dealing with an iPhone locked to owner and need a reliable iCloud unlock solution, I want to introduce you to Unloxy. It's a trusted platform that quickly removes iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, or even Macs, helping you get back full control without hassle in any country. Let me walk you through how simple it is using their iCloud lock removal app. I'll demo it right now so you see it in action. Picture this. I've got a locked iPhone here showing that frustrating iPhone lock to owner screen. It works the same for any Apple device. First, grab your locked phone, press the power button to turn the screen off, then tap it back on and hit the eye icon in the bottom right corner. Jot down the IMEI or serial number displayed. That's key. Now head over to Unloxy's site, make a new account or login, and open their iCloud Unlock app. But hold up, don't skip ahead. Watch me do this first or you might run into issues. Once inside the app, pick your device type, like iPhone in my case, and enter that IMEI or serial number you noted. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click Unlock My Phone Now to submit. But watch out, each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. If you don't want to purchase their expensive coins, I've got a solution. Hit the join button below this video, pick the membership tier that includes Unloxy access, then go to our membership page and grab a voucher code that gives you 100 full coins. After that, you can track the progress in real time on their dashboard. The process usually takes a few hours to about 2 days, depending on your device's situation. Once it's done, like here on my phone, press the back button. Watch it reconnect to Apple's servers and pull the updated activation status. Boom, it lets you proceed. Skip through setup and there you go, fully unlocked. You can even set up a new iCloud account. This works on any iOS version and model since it's a legal, constantly updated service. That frustrating iPhone lock to owner message isn't just a simple notification, it's Apple's activation lock feature in action. This security measure, part of the Find My service, essentially creates a digital wall around your device. It means the iPhone is still actively linked to the Apple ID and password of its previous owner, preventing anyone else from erasing, reactivating, or using it without those credentials. This situation is incredibly common, especially when you've purchased a used iPhone from an online marketplace or a private seller who didn't properly disassociate their account. We're going to break down that digital barrier by exploring 3 legitimate ways to remove this persistent lock. Now let's break down the 3 legitimate ways to remove that activation lock. The first and often simplest method involves contacting the previous owner, if you can. If you bought the phone from a friend or family member, or if you have their contact information, reach out to them directly. They can remotely remove the device from their Apple ID using iCloud.com. They simply log in, go to Find Devices, select the iPhone in question, and choose Remove from Account. Once they do this, your iPhone will instantly be ready for you to set up with your own Apple ID. Our second method applies if you purchase the iPhone new or from an authorized reseller and have the original proof of purchase. If you're the original owner and find yourself locked out, or if you legitimately bought a device and have the receipt showing its serial number, it's Apple's activation lock feature in action. Now let's talk about what not to do. Many websites and services promise instant activation lock removal with just a few clicks or a small fee. These are almost always scams. They often claim to use proprietary software or server-side bypasses, but in reality, they're either phishing for your personal information, installing malware on your computer, or simply taking your money without delivering any results. Apple's activation lock is a robust security feature, and there are no shortcuts or magical tools that can legitimately bypass it without the original owner's credentials or Apple's direct involvement. Engaging with these fraudulent services can lead to identity theft, financial loss, or even brick your device, making it unusable. Stick to the official, legitimate methods we've discussed to protect your data and your wallet. So remember, unlocking an iPhone locked to owner is achievable through legitimate channels like contacting the previous owner, using your original proof of purchase with Apple, or utilizing services like Unlocksy. Avoid those tempting but fake unlocking tools and scams. Take action now and reclaim your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.